Hi, welcome back to my channel, Show Me's World. So let's talk about what really makes a marriage strong and healthy. Actually, a healthy marriage is not about staying together, it's about growing together emotionally, mentally, spiritually, educationally, also sometimes, professionally. In every aspect, it means growing together. So we are done with three main topics, and fourth is also important topic, that is emotional safety. Emotional safety is like we are human beings, okay, and we are normal human beings. Maximum of us get vulnerable sometimes, not every time. Sometimes get not depressed, get angry, sad. So you can be vulnerable without being dismissed or mocked in a relationship like this husband wife. Not ki you are doing this with your office colleague or any of friends. No, you both are partners staying 24/7 together, sharing everything, room. There is no personal space between, so you can be vulnerable without being dismissed or mocked. So that's why there should be apologies, forgiveness, and emotional healing. And this is the part, these all are the part of the relationship. Apologies, saying sorry is normal, is very normal. Don't take it on ego. Apologies is very normal. So if apologies is normal, then forgiveness is also normal. That is also, don't take it on ego. And emotional healing, that if one partner is emotionally down, another will heal that partner. That is also normal. That is the one thing you have to do. Don't do this कि एक पार्टनर इमोशनली डाउन है तो दूसरा भी डाउन होके बैठ गया उसके साथ. नो, इफ वन पार्टनर इज डाउन, ट्राई टू हील दैट पार्टनर एंड पुल दैट पार्टनर अप. दोनों ही, ये तुम दुखी हो इसलिए मैं अभी दुखी होके बैठ गई, तो ऐसे मतलब इससे कुछ अच्छा नहीं हो रहा है ना. नीड टू बी पॉजिटिव. तो एक अगर डाउन है तो दूसरे को इमोशनल हीलिंग करके उसको भी तब चीयर अप करके आप करना. दैट इज अ पार्टनर्स ड्यूटी. दैट इज़ अ पार्टनर्स ड्यूटी. मतलब हस्बैंड वाइफ में गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड जैसा रोज दे दिया, कैडबरी दे दिया, इससे नहीं हो जाता ना. ये इधर हस्बैंड वाइफ के रिलेशनशिप में जब 24/7 साथ में रहना पड़ता है, तब प्यार ऐसे ही समझ आता है कि एक इमोशनली डाउन है तो उसको हील कर दो, एक का काम ज़्यादा है तो थोड़ा सा कर दो, एक मतलब दोनों का ओपिनियन अलग है, डिस्कस करके दोनों साथ में आके एक डिसीजन लो. दिस शोज लव. सो नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज हेल्दी बाउंड्रीज विथ फैमिलीज एंड फ्रेंड्स ऑल्सो. बट फैमिली फ्रेंड्स के साथ बाउंड्री फिर भी बहुत लोगों का रहता है, कुछ लोगों का नहीं रहता कि बीवी को लेके या पति को लेके बाहर नहीं जा रहे हैं, बट फ्रेंड्स के साथ जाना मतलब, बट वो दैट इज़ लेस. फैमिली के साथ ज़्यादा इशू होता है. तो हेल्दी बाउंड्रीज, ऐसा नहीं कि फैमिली फ्रेंड को अबंडन ही कर दो कि अब तो शादी हो चुका है तो फैमिली फ्रेंड बोल के कुछ रही नहीं. नो, दैट इज़ नॉट. बट अ हेल्दी बाउंड्री. लव एंड बॉन्ड विथ इन लॉज एंड फ्रेंड्स एग्जिस्ट, बट योर रिलेशनशिप कम फर्स्ट. वो रहता है, ऐसा नहीं कि वो ख़त्म हो गया. फैमिली फ्रेंड रहता है, बट योर रिलेशनशिप शादी के बाद ऑलवेज कम्स फर्स्ट. एंड प्राइवेसी एंड कपल स्पेस should be respected by that all family members and friends. If they are not respecting, then that your couple space or your partner, then you should talk like friendly. ऐसा नहीं कि अपने फैमिली फ्रेंड्स के साथ बहुत गलत तरीके से बात करो या डांटने लगो या चिल्लाने लगो. ऐसा नहीं, अच्छे से बैठ के बात करो कि अब मेरी शादी हो चुकी है, तो एज अ फ्रेंड और एज अ फैमिली आपको क्या दिक्कत आ रही है कि हम दोनों के पर्सनल स्पेस से, हम दोनों के अच्छे रिश्ते से, हम दोनों के साथ समय बिताने से, हम दोनों के एक दूसरे के लिए कुछ करने से. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. आपको मेरे साथ साथ उनको भी एक्सेप्ट करना पड़ेगा, और हम दोनों के लिए ये जो पर्सनल टाइम है इसको भी एक्सेप्ट करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि अब मेरी शादी हो चुकी है. ये समझाओ उनको. अगर फैमिली फ्रेंड्स समझ नहीं रहे, अच्छे से बैठ के समझाओ. दैट इज़ हेल्दी बाउंड्री. इट्स नॉट कि उन लोगों से बात ही करना बंद कर दो या झगड़ा चिल्ला मिल्ली मतलब कुछ उसको सुना दो. ऐसा नहीं है. उनसे रेस्पेक्टफुली अच्छे से बात करो कि तुम लोग समझो ये मेरी शादी हो चुकी है, बस ऐसे. सो नाउ नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज जॉय इन स्मॉल मोमेंट्स. ट्राई टू फाइंड जॉय इन स्मॉल मोमेंट्स. नॉट ट्राई, यू नीड अगर ट्राई करना पड़ रहा है तो वो भी गलत है कुछ तुम्हारे रिश्ते में. मतलब छोटे छोटे चीज़, उससे खुद से एक जॉय अगर महसूस हो रहा है तो हाँ, तुम्हारा मैरिज बहुत ही अच्छा है। मतलब दोनों ऑफिस से आके शाम को, ऐसा एग्जांपल, दोनों ऑफिस से आके शाम को जब पहली बार एक दूसरे को देखे, तब एक अंदर से जॉय फील होता है, मुस्कान आ जाता है, आंख चमकने लगता है। सो दैट इज़ अ हेल्दी रिलेशनशिप। और अगर देख के ऐसा लगे कि अरे फिर से इसके साथ रहना पड़ेगा, इसके लिए काम करना पड़ेगा, इसके लिए ये मेरे को ये परेशान, मतलब तब अगर पूरे दिन के बाद, ऑफिस के बाद एक दूसरे को देख के अगर अच्छा महसूस ना हो, बुरा लगे, तो there is something problem. That is not good sign. That is not, that is not a healthy marriage relationship. Maybe that's just working as a deal, not a lovable relationship. Laughter, inside jokes, silent comfort. Silent comfort means like you both are sitting just only, that gives you joy. Not doing anything, बात भी नहीं कर रहे, कुछ नहीं कर रहे, बस ऐसे बगल में बैठे हैं, तो उससे भी एक कंफर्ट है, या बस एक दूसरे के सर कंधे में सर रख के ऐसे बैठे हैं, तो दैट इज़ ऑल्सो इफ गिविंग यू जॉय, पीस, इंटरनल पीस, तो दैट इज़ ऑल्सो अ healthy marriage. And you enjoy each other's company. Actually, you enjoy each other's company everywhere, even in silence, in while working, every time you always crave for each other's company. That is healthy marriage. Just remember one thing: healthy marriage is not perfect. It has disagreements, ups and downs, a lots of fights, a lots of small fights, but fights, and some big fights also. But both partners are willing to work through this all hurdle with love, patience, and respect. They always try to work through this. Like, there will be disagreements, there will be fights, cause there will be different opinions. They both will discuss also. Maybe sometimes they can't come on same page or same topic, or any. There can be disagreements, there can be fight, but both partners always willing to work with love, patience, and respect is very important. Where respect is lost, transparency, trust is lost, then there is then there is no chance to come back. Actually, after that, to repair that relationship is very tough. Once you disrespect your partner, once you lost trust in relationship, once you stop trusting your partner, after once you stops giving transparency to a relationship, after that repairing that relationship is very tough. Sometime, maximum times, it's not possible. After that, what only stays, that is deal, that we will stay together. Deal, not a love, not a healthy marriage relationship. That's a deal. After that only, that I will do this all work, I will do this all work, and we both will contribute this, and we both will stay like a business partners, but not like a life partners. So they became business partner, not life partner. So if you don't want to make your marriage a deal, business deal, that I will give this and you will give this, and we both will get this, like a contractual deal. If you want that healthy, happy, peaceful, lovey-dovey marriage life, then you can follow me and my not instructions. Okay, let's take it instructions. You can follow my instructions. Or if you are already having some problem and you want to discuss with me, okay, you can connect in my Instagram. You can message me in Instagram. I will mention my Instagram page on description. You can share that there personally about your problem, and don't worry, I am not that person that who likes, I actually dislike gossips totally, but I always love to help others. So I was like that ki I had 3 friends. If she says me anything, I always try to give suggestion to her, but I never shared her whatever she said to that other girl. Never ever did so. So I'm like that. I don't know why, I don't know, but I was always empathetic like this. Maybe from childhood, or maybe from teenage, I don't know. So you can connect me in Instagram and tell me what problems you are going through. I will discuss with you I will talk to you as a friend only. And I will try to understand what is your problem and what is your situation, and I'll not say you to do anything. I'll just tell you that what I can see, that yeah, this is happening, and you can do this, do this, do this. I'll give you option. After that, what you want to do, that is your choice. But I will help you as a friend. I will listen you. I'll try to give you some opinions actually, and so yeah, I will try to help you out. I will be there for you as a friend always. I will be. And always remember that a healthy marriage is not perfect. It has disagreements, ups and downs, fights, but both partners are willing to work through that all hurdles with love, patience, and mainly important respect. Respect is very much important. So never lose respect, never disrespect your partner, and never cheat, and never lose trust. Never ever stop giving transparency to your partner. Keep everything transparent. Always trust, always keep trust, always respect. And another thing is, it's lovely to have good relationship with extended family, but that alone doesn't define a healthy marriage. The foundation is always the emotional partnership between husband and wife. Okay, keep in mind this. This is also an important fact, that you both are having no trust issue, no disrespect issue, but this can be a issue. So keep in mind. Say a couple faces pressure from family, maybe decisions about finances, living setup, or social expectations. If they are emotionally connected, well connected, and support each other, in between them everything is all set and all okay, they can face it as a team. They will not face any problem. They can face their family as a team. But if that bond is missing between them, even a calm home can feel empty. Got it? So keep this in mind and clear your concept about healthy marriage. What is healthy marriage, and how to keep marriage healthy. I will see you in next video. Till then, keep smiling, be happy, and keep your marriage peaceful and happy. Bye bye. See you in next video. Bye bye.